beautybyada, and I'm here today with another video. I want to show you guys how to do a feeding braid on kids, and then I hope mamas in the house, you guys learn one or two things from this. And then watch me transform my baby girl from this and to a little glam diva. Yes, my baby girl has a natural hair, so she doesn't really have permed hair. So her hair is prepped and washed. I have my styles, and then I'm going to be showing you guys what I'll use for today's video. And what I'll be using is my hair cream. I'll be using my braiding hair and some of the clips that I have. I'll be using my eco styling gel, and also I'll be using that's the eco styling gel. I hope you guys can see that. And then my H oil, that's the H oil. And I'm going to also be needing my scissors, and then that's it. So let's get started. So now guys, I'm sectioning her hair. I sectioned it into 4 equal parts, and I'm going to be making a total of 8 braids. And then I'm using my edge control to kind of make that helps to like hold the hair down, because she has a natural hair, so it's kind of difficult to part and all that. So I'm using my edge control that's the argan oil edge control to hold it down. So guys, after that I'll be packing the rest of the hair. I'll be braiding them down so it wouldn't obstruct what I'm doing. Then I'll start from the leftover one. So this is packing the rest of the hairs, trying to break them down so that they don't obstruct what I'm doing. So that way you can do your hair neatly. Then I'm parting the hair here. With the braiding hairs, I'm going to be dividing them, keeping them aside, so that it will be easier for me to get my braiding done faster without wasting much time. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. that, so you guys can actually see properly what I am doing, how I'm parting the hair, and how I'm adding all my braiding hairs, how I am actually doing the feeding braids. That's why I slowed down a bit here. So here I am done braiding, and this is what my hair looks like. This is what the hair looks like. I'm going to be taking my scissors to take off all the extra hairs on the side. So guys, here I'll be trimming the hair to remove any extra hair, that to make the hair look nice, because I will not be putting it in hot water, because as you can see, she's just 2 years old. I don't want any mistakes. So if your child is below 2, I don't expect you to put the hair to start putting it in hot water. So just trim it, and that will be good. Use your mousse for it, and that will be good. And so here I will be adding the mousse. Here you can see my Tresemme mousse. So I'll be putting it to the end onto the hair, because I didn't put hot water to it. So this will help it lay down properly and then last properly for her. So here I'm adding my anti-itch oil so her hair doesn't itch. This is I'm just buying this product for the first time, so I'm like trying it out to see how good it works. I've never used it before, but I hope it works good. I'll be using my argan oil edge control to lay her edges, so my baby girl will just be looking so good. I'm laying her edges so baby girl can catch her groove. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Thank you.